Mother's Day is here, hugs, kisses, cheer, gifts, flowers.
Welcome to our factory in China.
Are you making smart boards here?
Yes, my love.
So cool.
This is our smart board assembly line. The room you are seeing now is the sample room of finished products.
It really looks big. Surely not a middleman or trading company.
Of course not. You can see our assembly line right there.
I'm still not convinced. Show me your warehouse. Is it big?
This side, here is our big warehouse. Take a look. Here we store all the ready-to-deliver smart boards from 65 inches to 110 inches massive IFPD.
Let me take a look at your safety materials. Some factory uses cheap materials of safety to save money secretly.
Here they are. We use thick and expensive safety materials so you can get the product safely. And additionally, we also use wooden boxes which are quite expensive. But we take product safety very strictly.
Show me the assembly line then.
Sure, let's go there now. This is only one of the big 4 assembly lines we have, because we have huge demand and repeat orders of smartboards, so we needed to make so many assembly lines in our factory. Our product prices are the lowest in the market, and the quality is highly standard. Just send me a message or call me in this number to contact me. You can also be our retail partner in your country.